60% of the world's nickel is mined in Indonesia. The majority of the world's lithium is mined in Chile or its border with Argentina. Similarly, cobalt, most of it comes from the Democratic Republic of Congo. So इस type के most of the futuristic minerals are located only in very few pockets of the world. इस टाइप का सिनारियो जब इनका इंपॉर्टेंस बढ़ गया इन मिनरल्स का, एट दैट टाइम वी रियलाइज दैट दीज आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन वेरी फ्यू ज्योग्राफीज. इसलिए लास्ट वीक डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इंटरवीन्ड इन अ स्मॉल वॉर. टू अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज रुवांडा एंड DRC द कॉन्गो के छोटे से वॉर में डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इंटरवीन कर गए, क्योंकि कॉन्गो के पास वो ग्लोरियस मिनरल्स है विच द डॉन वांट्स. दिस इज द वे द वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग. Let me tell you an old story. When oil was first struck in Arabia, that time I think it was Roosevelt who was president. And one 5-star American general told him that the Arabs are now sitting on an ocean of oil. और वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद सबको पता था that oil is the fuel of the future. तो the general told him एक ही साथ सारे अरेबियंस को निपटा देते हैं and we will house our own Texan people, our wildcatters, और सारा ऑयल हम ले लेते हैं. That time Roosevelt थोड़ा human rights ये वो के चक्कर में, plus he didn't realize that oil prices will spike like this and these poor Arabs will suddenly become rich. So he said नहीं कोई जरूरत नहीं करेंगे, and that is how the oil revolution went into the hands of those Arabs. Well, the future electric, EV, battery revolution, renewable revolution, storage battery revolution, that is all concentrated in these new minerals. Oil का जमाना खप जाएगा. The zamana of the galliums, lithiums, geraniums, cobalts, nickels, cadmiums, all these will come. और ये बहुत कम देशों के पास है. The giant, of course, the gorilla in the room is China. When China first in the 90s acquired the magnets subsidiary of General Motors, उस टाइम में अमेरिका didn't realize कि ये इंडस्ट्री चाइना जा रहा है. तब से चाइनीज डोमिनेट कर गए हैं ये रेयर अर्थ्स और ये मिनरल्स के रिफाइनिंग. वेल, everything they dominated, right from technology to machinery. Now their supply chain is the very best in the world. Even America is far behind. In 2020, in the first presidency, Donald Trump clamped down on this industry. Biden continued it, but still, it has been 5 years. America is still playing catch up. It even had to intervene in Rwanda for these rare earths. Well, सारा world, including India भी इस दौड़ में is scrambling to get its hands on various exploration rights in these far-off geographies. Let's see how this world plays out. It's a very, very interesting time. Future fuels, future minerals. China के पास सबसे बड़ा लीड है इस रेस में.